Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two photo editors platform, which is Picsart and Fotor. So to get started with the breakdown and the analysis about these two platforms, Picsart stands out as a creative all-in-one photo and video editor packed with AI tools for background removal, image generation, retouching, filters, and design templates. It's perfect for creators, influencers, and small businesses looking to make standout content for social media. With a real-time editing, animation features, and a massive library of stickers, fonts, and effects, Picsart gives users full creative control, especially those who love experimenting with visual on mobile or desktop. So talking about Fotor, on the other hand, focus on AI-enhanced photo editing and professional-looking design with a more polished, user-friendly interface. It offers powerful one-click tools like AI photo enhancer, background removal, skin retouch, and HDR effect. Fotor also include design template for business card, ads, and social posts, making it ideal for users who want quick professional edit without deep design experience. And here's a better conclusion about these two platforms. So choose Picsart if you want creative freedom, trendy visual effect, and a strong video plus image editing in one app. And on the other hand, you can go with Fotor if you prefer clean, polished edit with one-click AI tools and more professional finish. So for creativity and flexibility, Picsart win. And on the other hand, for simplicity and pro quality result, Fotor is the best choice in that aspect. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two comparison. And if you find the comparison helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.